Okay, so here's our last one that we're going to give a try to. So we have n over n plus 5, leave a space, subtract 2 n minus 9, leave a space, negative 11n plus 15 over, and this we're going to factor as n minus 9 and n plus 5. Okay, so looking over, what do we need to include? We need to include an n minus 9 on this bracket. We need to include an n plus 5 on this term. And so then when we go to expand that out, now we'll see our denominators cancel, which was the power of common denominators. So n bracket n minus 9 minus 2 bracket n plus 5 is negative 11n plus 15. Expand here, n squared minus 9n. Watch the negatives. Minus 2n minus 10. Take these to the other side and change the signs. Plus 11n subtract 15 equals 0. N squared minus 11n plus 11n, and then minus 25 is 0. These cancel, so you get n squared minus 25 equals 0. This is a difference of squares, so that would factor into n minus 5 and n plus 5. And so you have two potential solutions, n equals 5 or n equals minus 5. Going back to my original, remember n plus 5 cannot be 0, so n is not allowed to be negative 5. So that answer's gone. N minus 9 is not allowed to be 0, so n cannot equal 9. I don't have that as a potential solution, so this is just the one I have to go check. So I'm going to plug in 5 everywhere in this equation. So 5 over 5 plus 5, subtract 2 over 5 minus 9 equals negative 11 times 5 plus 15 over 5 squared minus 4 times 5 minus 45. So here you get 5 over 10 minus 2 over negative 4. This side you get minus 55 plus 15. In the denominator you get 25 minus 20 minus 45. 5 over 10 is a half. 2 minuses make a plus. 2 over 4 is a half. Over here you get negative 55 plus 15, so you get negative 40. In the denominator you get negative 25, you get 25 minus 20, which is 5. 5 minus 45 is a negative 40. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 is 1. Half and a half makes a whole. And negative 40 over negative 40 is 1. Therefore, n equals 5 is a potential solution. Kind of went through it fast. Hopefully the repetition with these videos has been helping you, and you can hopefully have some success on the questions that are assigned to you. Good luck.